Arm.
Huh? You said it was going to be 2 lights. 2 lights.
Please, no stopping.
That's
not possible. That's we paid $5 for this.
You didn't even pay.
Alright, BJ. Look at this.
We got it all on record that Sandy told Terry to shut up.
Good job, Sandy.
That is...
Negative Nelly.
Look at that.
That just looks awesome. I have to keep moving to
I'm getting sick.
I'm being the most positive I can possibly be. No, you don't. You're saying how awesome this looks. Dylan, I'm not being negative. And then BJ goes, I'm going on. I'm being ultra positive. Is it making it better? Huh? This goes on for like a month. Yeah.
Throw up.
Look.
Why do you have a window seat?
Huh? That's not a mile.
My hand's frozen.
This is a small tunnel.
Now this should be a driveway.
Yeah, this is what I wanted in front of my house, too. But, you know, jeez.
There goes the energy bills.
That's all good.
Don't get this Christmas tree, look.
You go back to picture. You go back to
It is.
Get it! Oh, I got nothing but ass. I got nothing but...
Pat,